Need pocket cash without the hype? Try these apps that actually pay. First up, SproutGigs, formerly Picoworkers, solid for tiny paid tasks, clicks, signups. Swagbucks pays out for small online activities, surveys, videos, shopping rewards. Inbox Dollars is similar, quick ways to earn. Paid emails, short tasks. Amazon Mechanical Turk handles microtasks, data labeling, transcriptions, good for batching small wins. TaskRabbit connects you to local odd jobs, cleaning, moving, quick help. Skilled tasks earn higher pay. DoorDash or your local delivery app. Immediate cash for deliveries, flexible and fast. Field agent pays for quick in-store audits. Mystery shopping, perfect if you're out and about. None will make you rich, but they reduce pressure, cover daily costs, keep you afloat while you build something bigger. Try one, hustle smart, rinse and repeat.